Hello everyone, it's Holly again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new then please come and join us because you are so welcome. Firstly, I apologise for not uploading the last couple of weeks. I've had a bit of stress. My beautiful cat is not very well, so I've been giving her lots of medicine, giving her lots of love. Any good vibes you could send me would be fantastic. Give her some love. Her name's Millie. She's been in a few of my videos. And second of all, this video is going to be really chill, really relaxed. I'm in my comfies. My hair's scraped back, it's greasy because I can't be bothered to wash it. But today is a very exciting video because we are going to be opening the Fabfitfun summer box. My mum primarily gets this, but we do kind of share it. We both pick items and then obviously you get surprise items. So we're going to open this together and see what there is. Hopefully there's some really good stuff in here because my mum's been ordering it and we've been kind of sharing it for a good few months now, and they do have some really cool boxes. So if you like this kind of video and you want to see me open the next box or the next boxes that come, definitely give this video a like and make sure to subscribe because I'm back on it now. I'm back on my scheduled content. And also thank you so much for the new subscribers. I'm almost at 200 now, which is amazing, so thank you so much. So without further ado, let's get on with opening this box. Now I should have bought scissors. How satisfying. She's a big old box. I'm going to shuffle forward because I've opened it now. So, got the box here, right next to me. Now, this is funny as well because my mum doesn't want to know what's in it. So once I've opened it, I'm going to have to repackage it really nicely so she doesn't know. But the first thing is a massive box. Goodness. Should we open this first or should we say, let's save that one for later. So there are 3 items in here that I can see. So these are the ones that I picked out. And so the first thing is the Luxie Bronze and Glow set. It's the Rose Gold collection. You get 4 brushes and 2 beauty blenders or makeup sponges. It's a 6-piece face set created to give you soft and glowing skin. Use cream and powder products for an effortlessly defined yet natural and bright look. So you get a precision tapered brush, a large angled brush, a cream highlight brush, a precision foundation brush, and a precision blender and a detail blender. I'm not very graceful when I open things. So you get 4 brushes, 2 sponges. This looks really cute. Oh, they're very soft. These are very nice. And I like the little detail one. How cute is that? For like under eye maybe? Maybe I'll feature those in a video soon and test them out. But they look really nice quality. Very fluffy. Look at the movement on that. Yeah, they have rose gold detailing, and it also says the name of the brush on the side. They look really nice quality. They feel quite heavy. They don't feel light and plasticky, but they come in a really nice little box as well. That'd be a cute gift. So the next item goes hand in hand with that one because I really wanted some new brushes. This is the same brand, but it's the Smoky Eye set. Again, rose gold collection. You get a shading brush, a small angle brush, a pencil brush, and a tapered blending brush. And it says, these 4 handcrafted brushes will help you create the perfect smoky eye and so much more. Oh, this one comes in like a, you like pull it out of the thing. How cute is that? Here are the 4 brushes out of the packet. Very cute. They're again rose gold, and again they say which one they are. So this is the eye shading brush. Can you see that? Very fluffy brushes. They're really cute, and look at the little box they come in. They like slide in. That is so cute. So they're both by the brand Luxie. I've never heard of them before. Let me know if you guys have heard of them, if you use them. And then the third item that's not hidden in another box is the X-Stand magnetic phone stand, which looks like it can go anywhere, like in your car, on the kitchen tiles apparently. But it says the adhesive metallic plates allow you to use it on any surface, and then it says it in French. It says universal fit, secure, stability, strong magnet, use it anywhere. It just looks like a phone tripod, jazzy version. When you open it, this is what you get, just the 3 parts. I'm probably not going to try and assemble this right now because I'm stupid and I'll probably break it. But this is the main component, which is what the then magnet goes onto. Yeah, so it like stretches to the size of your phone. It's like a silicone material. I feel like if that works, that would be good because then you don't have to like screw on tripods. It's really annoying when you have to do that and they always go wonky. Looks like it could be good, and it's in a cute pink colour as well. So those were the 3 items that you can see, and then obviously we have this mystery box. So let's move on to her. Go. Woohoo! You get a little magazine. Oh, this should say how much things were worth, so I will definitely use that in a second. Stickers. And then we've got, oh we got goodies in here. Okay, we've got a HelloFresh 14 free meals. Now me and my mum have tried HelloFresh and we didn't really like it. We do gusto. The first thing we have is a pineapple shaped ice mold, which is perfect for this weather because it's very hot. So it's by the brand Blush and it's silicone. Pineapples in an ice tray. Very moldable, very bendable, very cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I feel like they could have done 10, but they look cute. Or maybe I'll make a drink and put it on my Instagram because then I can plug my Instagram right there. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then we've got, oh my god. So the next thing we have is Barefoot Scientist Smoothing Over Pedicure File. Let's open it. So I imagine this is for softening your feet. Yeah, so it has texturized file on this side and then like a flat file on this side, and it's just made of plastic. Applying desired pressure, move in a circular motion across the skin to remove calluses. I actually get calluses on my hands here because I lift weights, because I use dumbbells and things and they really rip my skin off, so maybe we should try that. I see the theme for summer in this box. This is a big boy. What are you? Okay, I can never pronounce this. Somebody tell me how to pronounce this. I know it's a nice brand. Is it Key? Is it Way? Detox Shampoo. All hair types. Been on a dry shampoo binge. Oh, I have. This is concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar. Ooh, deeply cleanse away dirt, oil and impurities. Also removes build-up from styling products or hard water deposits. Leaves hair feeling refreshed and super clean. Here's your fresh start. See you next week. Well, that's a very big bottle. Then there's another product by the same brand, Way or Key, scalp massage. Oh my god, I love scalp massage. Oh, I suppose you use them hand in hand, don't you? Yes. It's plastic on the outside and then silicone underneath with like little teeth to scratch in your head. That looks really nice, and also you can like slot your hand in like that. That's cute. That's cute. Very nice. Definitely aesthetically pleasing. Oh my god, guys, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, the next thing is PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Now, we picked this because this was one of the, like, what's it called, like the special top items or something. Me and Mum did pick this, and I know that it's really supposed to be good for cleansing your face. It's like an electric facial cleanser, so it has like silicone brushes on the front, and then I'm not going to open this because my mum picked this and I don't want to open it for her, but I know this is supposed to be quite good. It's a smart facial cleansing device that uses sonic glow technology, 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. So again, like I said, this will probably be worth a fair bit, but you get a good discount, so that looks good. This is exciting me. Oh, the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. An intensive overnight lip mask that envelopes the lips with shea butter and apricot kernel oil. Help deliver intense hydration, softness and elasticity while you sleep. See the sweat on my face. Cute! It's in like a toothpaste tube. So it's by the brand Seraphine Botanicals. That smells very nice. Can't really give a review on that right now because it's an overnight thingy, but she looks cute. Right, flight mode skincare. It's a high altitude hydration mask, so I imagine this is for when you're on a plane? After cleansing and when you're ready for rest, apply the mask to your face, neck and back of hands. It will absorb while you sleep. Oh, no need to rinse off, just massage into the skin. So this is the brand Flight Mode, I think. Again, I don't really want to open this because it's for my mum and I won't be using it, so, but it looks pretty good. I imagine it's just for really, really dry skin, but then my mum doesn't have dry skin, I do, so maybe she'll let me use it. What have we got here? Watermelon Burst Setting Spray by Siate, London, and it smells of watermelon. This is what I need. Look how cute. How cute is that? Let's spray. Ready? Oh my god, that's an aggressive spray. But it does smell like watermelon. Mmm, that looks really nice. And then, so the last thing in here is by the brand Poolside, and it looks like it's a makeup bag or maybe even a swimming costume bag. Okay, so it's quite big. It's got like that rubbery swimming costume lining in the inside, and it's like a nice watercolor. It's ever so cute. It says wet dry pouch. So yeah, I imagine it's for your swimming costume, which is cute because hopefully I'm going on holiday, so that would be really nice if we can use it. And I think that's actually the last thing in the box. So overall, I would say I'm probably most excited about the makeup brushes and that shampoo. It looks like it might actually help my hair because I've just had my hair done. Don't know if you can tell. It's a bit greasy, so don't worry. And it's a bit damaged. So that was everything that we got in the summer Fabfitfun box. And there's a lot of beauty things. It was very summer themed. I mean, there was like ice molds and swimming costume bags and stuff for hydration and to protect you from the heat, and this skincare thing is for if you go on a plane. I think it was a good box. So thank you very much for watching, and if you got to the end, then hello. You might as well subscribe. I will see you soon for my next video. If you have any suggestions of videos you would like me to do, then definitely leave them down below. I'm open to any suggestions. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.